you don't need any coding experience. You can just prompt any idea and make it happen instantly. My name is Georgios Rozakis. I'm with etoro since 2020. It's my 6th year so far. I'm a popular investor since summer of 2020, from the very beginning. I come from Greece.
Amazing. Thank you. So what did you think first when you heard about the capabilities, the AI capabilities that etoro is providing?
Actually, I thought, wow, I have to be in it. I have to try it first.
Did you have any prior experience with coding before starting the project?
Actually, my educational background is engineering, so a little bit of experience, yes. But a lot of years ago, now I'm doing project management. I don't have daily duties in coding. And this was why I was so happy when I saw this initiative, because I could again write something without the need to learn again all the latest stuff about coding, stuff like that.
Right. And be honest, did you really believe when you first heard about the options we are providing that you will be able to execute your idea to that extent?
Actually, when I joined the first session with the other PIs, and I saw that what they had already built in just a few days, I couldn't believe it. And then I decided to give it a try. And the same day I started, I already was building a working application. So yes, it was
amazing, mind-blowing, right?
Yeah.
And in a few words, just what your app is about, what was the idea behind it?
The first one, I have built multiple apps in a few days because I had so many ideas I wanted to implement. The first one is a usual one, copier demographics and analytics, stuff like that. And then I went to more complex stuff. I'm still trying to build an application which assesses the risk profile of the copier and tries to propose him an optimal portfolio, including my profile as a PI and other investments, broad market ETFs, or maybe other popular investors, in order to meet his risk needs and construct finally a portfolio that meets his requirements risk-wise.
Interesting, very interesting. And the last question, what do you think is going to happen in the next 10 years with the presence of AI? Where is it taking us? What's the future for us in the world of investing?
10 years, I can't imagine what will happen next year, actually.
Right.
Yeah, because it opens the doors to everyone, pretty much. If you don't need any coding experience, you can just prompt any idea and make it happen instantly. One of the most amazing things was how good was the UI it was building and how easy. You can just screenshot something and instruct him to make it like this. And it is self-healing as well. It corrects any bug, maybe sometimes automatically. So yes, amazing.
Well, thank you for your time.
Thank you as well.
Thank you for being here.